Raptor is a flowchart-based programming environment designed to help you visualize your algorithms. Let's install Raptor on the Windows platform.
You can download the application from the Raptor official website. The installer is a .msi file. Click on the Download Latest Version button to download the tool. Download the installer onto your computer's hard disk. Locate and double-click the downloaded .msi installer file to run it. The installer wizard will guide you through the steps required to install Raptor on the computer. Click on the Next button to proceed with the installation. Choose the folder to install and click on the Next button. Raptor installation would start. Click on the Yes button on the User Access Control elevation prompt. After the installation, click the Close button to close the wizard screen. That's it. Raptor flowchart software got installed successfully on the computer.